Amber Heard's request to seal the identities of the jurors currently deliberating Johnny Depp's defamation trial against her has reportedly been approved. Judge Penney Azcarate signed off a motion the Aquaman actress, 36, made, which means the names of all jurors shall remain sealed for 1 year following the conclusion of the trial on May 18, according to the New York Post. Mr. Depp, 58, is suing his ex-wife MsHeard in the U.S. state of Virginia for alleged defamation over an op-ed she wrote for The Washington Post in 2018, in which she stated she was a victim of domestic abuse. The mom of one is counter-suing her ex-husband for $100 million, £81 million, after she claims Mr. Depp and his associates launched a smear campaign against her following their split. On Friday, those in Virginia's Fairfax County Courthouse heard closing arguments from the legal teams for both stars, before the jury began their deliberations. The Edward Scissorhands star's legal team claimed Ms. Heard's abuse allegations are a case of Me Too without any Me Too, while his former wife's attorneys argued that the nitpicking over his client's testimony ignores the fact there is overwhelming evidence on her behalf. Ms. Heard's lawyer Benjamin Rottenborn also reminded the jury that Mr. Depp had admitted to sending texts to his former spouse in which he referred to her as a filthy W and claiming he would defecate her burnt corpse. The jury began their deliberations for 2 hours shortly afterwards and are set to resume on Tuesday, as the bitter $100 million libel battle looks set to finally come to an end next week. Nine jurors, 6 men and 3 women, have been overseeing the libel trial since proceedings began with jury selection on April 11, 2022. 2 of 9 jurors have since been chosen as alternatives, following deliberations beginning on Friday. According to the New York Post, Ms. Heard's request to have the jury's identities sealed could possibly have been motivated due to the fact her former spouse has a particularly vocal fan base. Agreed as to the proposed relief but objecting to and not agreeing to the characterizations as to Mr. Depp's interactions with his fans, etc., the American publication claims Mr. Depp's legal team wrote at the bottom of the judge's order. In April, 2 fans of the City of Lies actor were removed from the courtroom, after it emerged they had posted violent threats towards Ms. Heard online. In an additional incident earlier this week, a woman was escorted off the premises, after claiming Mr. Depp was the father of a young baby. "Johnny, I love you. Our souls are connected," the female fan began with as she stood up with the young child. The unidentified woman then held up a baby in Virginia's Fairfax County Courthouse and yelled, "This baby is yours," at the actor. The bizarre incident took place during a break and Judge Penney Azcarate had left the courtroom, according to Law and Crime. The publication also claimed that Mr. Depp, 58, simply turned and waved at the unknown woman, following her declaration of love. The female fan then held up the baby, declaring the actor to be the father, as a deputy approached her and went on to remove her from the courthouse.